Good morning, students. We are doing revision for periodic 1. We are revising chapter 1. The name of the chapter is Sources of Food. So today we will do the revision of chapter 1, Sources of Food. Today we will continue with the revision. So yesterday we have learned about the sources of food. Today we will study about some other topics of lesson 1 in detail. And then at last we will solve the revision worksheet of lesson 1 based on the today's topics. We will solve the revision worksheet. Yesterday we have read about the sources of food from plants. Today we will study about the animal sources of food. Animals provide us with milk, meat products and eggs. Cows, goats and buffaloes are some common animals which give us milk. Milk and milk products like butter, cream, cheese and curd are used all over the world. Now children, coming to our next topic is sprouts. What are sprouts? Sprouts are seeds that have germinated and become very young plants. This activity you must try at your home also. Take some gram seeds or moong seeds and then soak it in water, and then you will observe that sprouts have come out. Now this germination process usually begins with the seeds being soaked in water for several hours. All the seeds can be sprouted, but some sprouts should not be eaten raw. This point should be noted, children. All the seeds can be sprouted, but some sprouts should not be eaten raw. You have to first cook the sprouts and then you have to eat. Common sprouts used as food include bean sprouts, pulses, legumes, cereals. Sprouting grains and seeds produce protein-rich food. This is the reason why we produce sprouts, because sprouting grains and seeds produce protein-rich food. So children, today we will do the revision worksheet also. First question is define edible parts and sprout. Edible parts and sprouts you have done in the definitions. What are edible? The plant parts which are eaten is known as edible part. What are sprouts? The germinated seeds are called sprouts. You can write the definitions like this. And number second is, what food items do we obtain from animals? We can write eggs, meat, honey, milk. These we have to write and give examples also, like eggs you obtain from, eggs you get from hen and duck. So you have to write eggs and then source is hen and duck. There is a table on page number 8 in your book, table in which there is written food product and source. You can take the help of that table also and you can give the answers. Now second is meat. Meat you get from sheep, goat, chicken, fish. And third one is honey. Honey is obtained from honey bees. And number fourth is milk. Milk is obtained from cow, buffalo, goat. And the third question is, curd is an animal product. True or false? It is true, children, because curd is made from milk and milk is obtained from animals like cow, buffalo, goat. So milk, curd is an animal product. It is true. Milk and curd both are animal products. Number fourth is germinated seeds. Germinated seeds are called as sprouts. The answer will be sprouts. Eggs and meat are provided by sheep, goat, chicken, fish. Now children, solve these exercises and then you have to send it in the WhatsApp group. You have to do revision of this topic. I hope you must have understood the topic. Okay, thank you children.